for coming here tonight, teach along. You're welcome. Let's full an eye, swell a nose, full a mouth. Today we are going to do C and H. C and H together is a digraph, a consonant digraph. C and H together makes one song. What is that? Chain. Ain. What is that? Chords. Odds. Chords. What is that? Chef. F. Did you hear the songs that C and H can make? It makes 3 different songs. Chain. Chords. Chef. CH makes 3 different songs. Can you remember the songs that CH make? What is that? Chips. Ips. Chips. What is that? Chicken. Icken. Chicken. What is that? Church. Church. What is that? It is crunchy. Crun. E. Crunchy. What is that? Butcher. Boo. Butcher. Bench. Ben. Bench. What is that? Arch. Arch. What is that? Bunch. Bun. Bunch. You heard the CH making their sound. CH also makes the k sound. What is that? Choir. Choir. K. Ire. Choir. What is that? Christmas. Christmas. K. Christmas. K. Christmas. K. Christmas. Christmas. What is that? Uncle. Uncle. An. K. Oh. Uncle. What is that? Orchid. Orchid. O. K. Id. Orchid. What is that? Ache. Ache. A. K. Ache. Silent E. also makes the sh sound. What is that? Charade, charade. Sh, arade, charade. What is that? Champagne. Sh, ampain, champagne. What is that? Chandelier, chandelier. Sh, chandelier, chandelier. What is that? Brochure, brochure. Bro, sh, brochure, brochure. What is that? What is that? Machine, machine. Ma, sh, in, machine. What is that? Parachute, parachute. Para, sh, oot, parachute. You heard the song at the beginning, at the middle, and at the end. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed yet to this channel, please hit that red subscribe button to see more videos. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye. Thanks to Bundles Font by Sarah Barnett and Pixabay. I hope that you had a fantastic time.